Hi everybody, this is a tutorial on how to use the Windows version of GradeQuick on your Macintosh. A lot of teachers here have complained that the GradeQuick gradebook is not very good, and I definitely agree, especially on the Macintosh. The software is not very well developed and it causes some problems. And it's also just very difficult. So what we're going to do is we're going to run GradeQuick, the Windows version of GradeQuick, on a Macintosh. And we're going to do that using a special program called a virtual machine. So if you want me to put this on your computer, I'm happy to do that. And this will replace the way you currently log into GradeQuick. What you will see on your computer screen is a new icon that looks like this. This is called VirtualBox. And you'll click on it to open up your gradebook. And we'll go ahead and start the virtual machine. And what it's doing right now is it is actually booting a Windows XP computer inside of my Macintosh. Now, I only do this once a day. I do this in the morning, and then I leave it on all day long. Because obviously, booting a Windows computer is going to take just as long on here as it does booting a real Windows computer. So I just boot up my Windows computer at the beginning of the day, and I leave it running all day long with my GradeQuick program running. Okay, so what you see here is a very simple installation of Windows XP. It does not have a lot of bells and whistles. It just has the basics. And I have installed on here a link that will take me straight to the Edline page. So using VirtualBox is the exact same as using a Windows computer. It's just that it's inside of my Macintosh. So I'm going to click on my button here that I made for Edline, and it's going to launch it inside of Internet Explorer. And I'll log in using my ordinary name. And I will use the Tools menu to open my gradebook. This is just the same way you do it on your Macintosh. This is the Windows version of GradeQuick Web. It's much prettier and much nicer overall than the Macintosh version. So here you can see my Research Methods Period B class. You'll notice that, for example, the Windows version does not open up several windows at the same time. You choose which class you want to open from this menu here. As well, the attendance module works much better. This way, I would just click on File and then Send Attendance. So there's no stupid gear that you have to click on. You just click File and Send Attendance, and it will send it to Miss Ingram. The seating chart, everything here is fine. You know, you can post to Edline. That's how you that is how you print reports. Entering grades, you will find, is just generally a better experience overall. Although for the most part, it's pretty close to the same. I find that I have much fewer problems with the software automatically logging out. This way, it will do it, but it seems to be able to stay open for much longer. I actually have found that if an attendance window is open, the program will not automatically log out. And that is actually just a very useful bug. But that's it. This is my Windows virtual machine running the Windows version of GradeQuick Web. And if this is something that is attractive to you, that you feel like you would get a lot of good out of, just let me know, and I will put this exact same configuration on your laptop. And then that way, you do not need to use the Macintosh version of GradeQuick anymore. So let me know, and it'll take me maybe about an hour with your laptop to do, and I can liberate you from the evil of Macintosh GradeQuick. Thank you.